Managing time, attendance, projects, productivity, and resources just got easier. Track work automatically with smart time tracking, no manual input, just accurate, real-time logs. Check teams' work habits with detailed productivity insights, get app and website usage, idle time alerts, and more. Plan and manage your projects with task boards, Kanban, and Gantt charts, all in one place. Use 𝗕𝗏 to verify employee attendance, combined with GPS and geofencing to monitor real-time check-ins and job site activity. Make smarter decisions with powerful reports and analytics on time, costs, and team performance. Balance workloads with resource management, see who's available and avoid burnout. Scale with confidence using enterprise solutions like custom workflows and user activity monitoring. Teams using Workstatus report up to 40% better time accuracy and 30% more productivity within weeks. All this starting at just $1.60 per user per month, simple pricing for powerful tools. Ready to take control of your workforce? Try Workstatus today.